Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to show you how to add social media link in YouTube video description. First of all, we are going to go to our YouTube studio to edit our description here. Now let's go to YouTube studio. After going to YouTube studio, make sure to go to contents. And this is the video that we are editing our description of. So on the bottom, we are going to add our social media links. Now I've added my Facebook and Instagram link here. Now while adding the link, make sure to keep the HTTPS and forward slashes in your link. If you don't include them, then the link will not work. Now for demonstration, I'm using the same link here, but removing the HTTPS and forward slashes. Alright, now we are going to save our link. And then we are going to go to the video description. Let's refresh this video. Alright, now we're going to expand the description, and as you can see, the social media links has been added, but the one that I removed HTTPS from, that link is not working. In similar way, you can also add your YouTube video link in the video description. So I'm going to copy this link, and then I'm going to use the link over here. I'm just going to remove this one since it's not working, and now I'm going to save the description. Now let's refresh the video again. Alright, now let's expand the description. As you can see, also the video link has been added to our description. Now, there is a way that you can add these links to your description by default. So I'm going to show you that method. So you're going to find something like settings here. Click on the settings and then go to upload defaults. Here is the description. Now let's prepare our description. So as you can see, I've added my Facebook and Instagram link in the upload defaults description. I haven't added the video link because I'm not going to use the same video link on every videos. Now what we're going to do is save this part. Now when we upload new videos, those links will come in our description by default. So let's go ahead and upload a dummy video. As you can see in my dummy video, the description has been preloaded. You can just add more descriptions over here, and this part will remain same on every videos. Now, if you don't want to add your social media on some videos, then you can just remove this part, but just for the convenience, you can add that part by default in every videos in the upload defaults section. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.